Sometimes it takes a lot of time to handle corners in tiling. Use this contour gauge to cut irregular and complex shapes in tiling. Can save you tremendous amount of time. You can use this gauge to measure various corners in different situations. Vacuum suction cups are used to lift non-porous materials such as glass, metal, plastics, fiberglass, and polished stones, etc. Suction cups are perfect device to hold the tiles safely, making your work easier, saving you the hassle. And with these suction cups, you won't accidentally drop the large piece of tiles and break them accidentally. Tile level quick strips ensure the best leveling and positioning of tiles. They can also be used as a tile spacer. When you tighten the strips, they will make an even gapping throughout the entire wall, making everything so proportional and beautiful. Multi-angle measuring ruler can accurately make any shapes you want. You can use it to cut out rectangles, circles on tiles. When you are making the floors, one tile could be much higher and lower than the other. Thus, these two firmly hold adjacent tiles together, so everything levels up and making perfect flat surface throughout. You may want to make perfect edge cutting with this 45-degree sliding cutter. It is a game changer for cutting smooth edge. Combining two tiles with perfect 45-degree cutting will make the edge extremely fine. Adjustable tile lifter holds the tiles in place while you are leveling tiles, saving you energy. You can adjust the height by turning these tiny black nuts. The most interesting feature about this digital laser tile leveling system is you can use a tripod with it. Turning the level 360 degrees gives you more working flexibility. The green light laser beam allows you to see it clearly under the sun. This cost-effective sliding cutter allows you to cut large pieces of tiles so much easier. Do you want even more convenient and less costly cutter? Check out this tiny, strong iron cutting pen. Now you can put it in your tool bag along with you. How nice! With this strong tile drill head, you only need 3 seconds to drill a hole on the tiles. Use this tip to drill the hole. You want to add some water around the area which you want to cut. You can also use adapter to fit this drill head to other driller of your own. Cutting the tiles makes too much dust. Do it in a smart way. Add a water bottle to the cutter to protect yourself from annoying dust. You can adjust the angle of the water bottle. This tool gives you more area when you want to apply pressure on the tiles.